all dears, here Kamaldeep Kaur in front of you to deliver the computer lecture, grade 6, chapter Introduction of
Generations of computers. Before knowing about the generations of computers, we should be aware of the terminology computer. Computer comes from the word compute, which means to calculate, which is an calculating device at enormous speed. It also operates on data to convert it into information. Now, the characteristics of computer: speed, accuracy, diligence, versatility, but it also have limitations of no IQ level and no feelings. It works at very high speed as compared to human beings, and the speed of the computer is measured in terminology of microseconds or nanoseconds. Next is accuracy. It works with highest accuracy and accuracy, but also depends upon the designs of the computers. Next, versatile. It can do diverse activities like calculations, graphics, and other works at the same time. But it do not have any IQ of intelligence of its own, and moreover no feelings, no emotions, no knowledge. Now we are talking about the generations of computers. What do you mean by generation? Generation means the evolution of the computers with the increased efficiency and functions with the passage of time. The fourth generations are first, second, third, fourth, and the fifth one is artificial intelligence. Now, depending upon the technology used by the computers, it are classified as follows. Generation. Generation is change of the computer's technology with the passage of the time. There are 5 computer generations known till date. First generation, its time period is 951 to 959. Technology vacuum tubes. Processing is very slow, but its size is very large. It uses magnetic drums or tapes, but it is very difficult to program on first generation computers. It used machine language and assembly language. Its advantages: it can able to process any task in milliseconds. Vacuum tube technology is very important, but its disadvantages: it is very big. It required large amount of energy for processing and very much expensive. Moreover, it generates a lots of heat. Second generation computer, its time period 959 to 963. It used technology of transistors, but its processing was very much faster. Its size was smaller. It was characterized by magnetic cores, magnetic disk, and it used assembly language. Its advantages: it was less expensive and smaller in size, faster in speed. Disadvantages: maintenance of machine was very much required, and it also generates lots of heat. Third generation computer, it used integrated circuits. Instead of the punch cards, user interacts with third generation computers through keyboard and monitors. For the first time, the computer was accessible to mass audience because of its smaller and cheaper size. The advantages: smaller in size, low cost, low power, high reliability. Disadvantages: IC chips are difficult to maintain and it need complex technology. Fourth generation, 1975 to today. It uses very large scale integration. It was smaller in size, faster than the first computer. It is characterized by personal computer and user friendly micro programs. It works on high level language. Advantages: it is smaller in size, microprocessor based technology, low cost of production, high speed, high reliability, and GUI interaction, that is graphical user interface. Fifth generation, that is future technology, artificial intelligence or robotics, through which we can perform different activities very easily.
Okay, dear students, having any queries, you can call me on my number or message me on my WhatsApp. Thanks.